It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, The Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku, and in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to hide your Instagram account. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Instagram hack. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to hide your online status on Instagram. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your Instagram account. So I'm going to click on here to open my Instagram account. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on my profile picture right here. And next thing I'm going to do is to click on this three slider right here. Then you have to scroll down and look for message and story replies. So right here, you can see you are online. So simply click on show activity status. Then show activity status, allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last seen online or are currently active on Instagram app. When this turn off, you won't be able to see the activity status of the other account. Simply click on here to turn it off. It's as simple as that. So by turning it off at this point here, nobody will know when you are online active or you are offline active on Instagram. So this is how to hide your online status on Instagram, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Instagram tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.